I'm happy to announce that after around 1.5 months of work, TwoTap.io is now live and available to use for everyone. Was a lot of fun building this. I documented the whole process here on YouTube. We also went through a successful beta phase where we could remove some small bugs and issues here and there. Yeah, and you can now use the website for free. You don't even have to create an account to use the search. But of course you are encouraged to create an account, to vote resources, to submit resources and so on. Of course the website is not completely finished yet. There are still more features I want to add, a lot of them actually. There's a huge list of things I have to do, but for now it's the first version. It's an MVP, a minimum viable product that I've released, and in my opinion it's already very useful. So yeah, give it a try at twotap.io. And I also need your help because I posted TwoTap on Product Hunt. Product Hunt, in case you don't know, is basically a website where people can post their startups that they've built. That's what it's usually used for, and others can find them, they can upvote them, there's a ranking, best product of the day and so on. And it's just a nice way to get this initial boost of attention and traffic at the beginning. So I would be really happy if you go to the link in the description box below to the Product Hunt page of TwoTap.io, check it out, and if you like it, please give it an upvote, because it's a nice way to get some traction for the website. If you don't know what TwoTap.io is about and you haven't watched my previous vlog videos, then there's also a little explainer video on the Product Hunt page. And I will also keep you updated about the project here on YouTube. I will keep making vlog videos about it, about the features I add in the future. For example, at the moment I'm migrating from JavaScript to TypeScript, which is really interesting, and I want to keep talking about this stuff. Yeah, but for now you can use the website. Please upvote it on Product Hunt, and then I see you again in the next video. Have a nice day, happy coding, take care.